Hey everyone, this is the new Readyrig Vega, and this is the new crossbar from Readyrig. And this system allows you to basically float your camera anywhere in front of your body to create stabilized handheld shots. So this is what's so interesting about this system. You might ask yourself, well, what does it do? It just removes the weight. It's a big, bulky system. I don't like it. It's actually much more different than that. This is a completely new way of using a camera support vest. Imagine it like a camera stabilization and a support system that gives you all the different shots that would be very difficult. So when I don't see my monitor, when I'm doing a shot like this, I'm hunting for the monitor, it's very difficult, the camera's weight. But when you remove the camera's weight and you remove having to look at the monitor, you can do some very interesting shots. So I can literally take the camera, shoot straight down, and I can rotate around, and I can push in, pull, I can go to low mode, shoot someone's foot, then I can look up. I can even track with them and run one direction as I'm leading them. So this tool is a very dynamic and very interesting tool to work with. I highly recommend you try it on for yourselves, and you can do that at AVS Nordic in Copenhagen. And if you have any dealers in the EU, contact them, tell them to contact AVS Nordic if they don't have it yet. You're gonna wanna try it. It will get you some pretty amazing shots. Cheers. Well, who stopped recording in the middle of that? Who did?